What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're at the backyard trails in Will's backyard.
Sadly, we're not going to be riding them today because it's super wet out.
But we're going to show you the progress that we've made in the past few months.
Sadly, we didn't film any of it, but we're just going to show you an overview. So we're going to start with the first feature right here, which is
Our drop.
which is pretty cool. So originally on the trail, you started up here and you just rolled down this and then hit the old log that used to be there that we also changed, and I'll tell you guys why we changed that in a second. But now we have this drop, and as you can see, it's decently high right there.
It's about
But-
maybe 2 feet, like a foot and
But
a
it's
half.
even higher when you consider that you go pretty far off of it. So first, you go off of this log, and then you come down here, and here's where the original jump logs were. And with the original jump logs, it was a lot narrower. As you can see, this is pretty wide right now, but originally it was only about this wide.
So
And the reason we made it wider is because when the first time that we did that, it was really hard to aim for this because it just used to be so narrow. So now that it's wider, you don't really have to aim as much because there's barely any room between that feature and this feature. We're working with very limited space, so it's pretty important to have things that are hard to miss. So also here, if you guys remember this from an old video, is
our berm.
the berm that has gotten zero attention and looks horrible. But there is this other tiny old berm right here. So if you really wanted to, you could ride the line with the berms, but there's nowhere to really go down anymore. So that's that part. There's also, on this line,
Our jump.
our one jump besides that, well, and the other jump, but this is the only reasonable one. And it's just a little step down. And I think it's kind of sketchy because of these bricks, so we might put more dirt over that. And then down here, jump down here, and it's really muddy right now. But we have this jump, which has not been hit yet and is quite sketchy. And it's, if you get the side view here, it's essentially just a giant mound of dirt and logs shaped like a kicker with the goal to get over the gap to the other side. And I'm not, actually, let's show you what's under this. We made the mistake of leaving this on, and come over here, let's look at all the bugs. Go down, look down there.
Oh god. Oh my god, yeah, that's a lot of bugs.
So, that's very fun, but we have not hit this yet. And maybe, you know, if this video gets like a lot of likes, we will hit it, I guess. So
It's pretty
that's
big.
kind
I
of-
mean,
it's pretty big. I think it would be easier to hit if it was just this and flat here. So I'm sure we'll be able to clear it, but like, it's kind of scary.
it's about 10 feet, I would say. Pretty close to.
8 to 10, right? I
think
mean, you want it. This is definitely something you're gonna want to over clear rather than under clear.
the main thing that we're sketched out about is like, you know, if your back tire, like, I don't know, just the rocks basically is what sketches me out. I don't know about you.
Yeah, because falling in the water wouldn't be too bad. But so that's essentially all that we have for this video. So I guess I'm gonna say that you should like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video, which hopefully will be uploaded pretty soon. I have to get off because someone's probably gonna come and ask us to get off the rocks. So we're gonna get as much fishing in here as we can.